Yeah?
Check out whether that's up there, but yeah, check out the entrance.
There we go. We are at Anderson Spring Cave, and that is the entrance. Well, we are in for something today. Ready?
Yep.
Oh, it's getting deeper.
Oh, there's a bat. There's a few bats in here. Yeah.
Oh, it goes back up. Michael for setup. Oh God. There he is. Here. Oh, it's here. Yeah.
Great. It sucks? No. But it gets a little bit tighter.
Hey. Now, for everyone's favorite.
I'm neck deep. Oh. Oh.
It's cold! I see a bat that has white nose syndrome.
Really?
I'm sorry, that's... Yeah, see right here?
You see a bat?
This one right there. It's a white nose.
Yeah. That's
That one too. Anyway, warm up for a second. Yeah, dude, turn around.
Wow.
This is not a sacrifice cave. This is a showcase kind of view.
Definitely.
Careful.
Yeah, it's very slippery here. Oh, yeah, I remember this.
Oh wow, that's a drop.
Yep.
Almost a bit of a fluke here. Who is this way though?
That drops into a pool. Just in case, you know.
What is that? Whoa, that's cold.
Welcome back to the jungle.
Back to the streets where we began. We want to try to keep the mud spread to a minimum. That is super cool formation though.
Super cool.
That's far down. You see that cliff?
What?
There's like a canister here.
It better not be a bomb.
That's what the TSA would think if I had that in my bag, but
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe it's like survey or air quality stuff, I don't know. I think you're rushing water over there.
I'm.
Yes.
These are all
and a breakdown pile on the way to the waterfall. I don't know if this is always here.
Let me keep going just a little bit further and then. Want some food?
Might actually be a good opportunity. All right.
Yeah. It's just up this way.
There he goes.
Yeah, look straight up.
Where? Oh, there you are. No!
What happened?
My headlamp is on the ground down below.
Oh.
There it is.
Can you get it?
I see it.
Okay.
I'm in the dark though.
Uh,
It's always not fun.
that sucks, man.
Ugh.
This is what?
There it is.
Alright.
Trusty headlamp. Hey guy. Alright. I'm gonna take the bag from Wesley.
Okay.
So Wesley coming through here and down here. And then is head first up through this small hole right here. Which I'm gonna attempt right now.
I've never tried that machine this one before.
Oh. Just jam myself in there. And up through here.
That's not as bad.
Yeah, it's honestly fine. Oh my.
So there is another squeeze after this.
I had squeezes.
So-
I feel like I'm born again.
Oh wow. That looks cool.
I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we're right at 12, you know?
Oh, we're certainly at 12.
Started up here, made it all the way down to this breakdown room. This is where we're getting stuck. All right. Oh, wow. Huh.
Let's just go down, dude.
Huh?
I couldn't pull myself up because I crossed.
Oh, Wesley. You weren't supposed to go that way.
Wait, where would Wesley go?
He went through here.
What the fuck? Wesley!
Yeah?
I mean, that's not the way we came, but.
Okay.
I was gonna say I didn't remember this.
A new route discovered.
I should be ahead.
Yeah.
I want to go deeper.
Are you sure about that?
Not yet. I'll see you guys.
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure there's an alternative way.
He has both our bags though. Where are you? What? Dude, what? I think I go this way now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Wesley, I don't know if you can come through where you are. Are you behind my feet?
Yeah.
Dude, we need to come up to this platform over here.
Oh,
What?
Where's your bag?
Wesley has both our bags.
Oh.
an alternative route, Wesley.
Yeah, you really engineered a new route, man.
Oh.
guys.
Time to go the wrong way once again.
Please.
I'm good.
Let me
Let me go first.
It's the end of the cycle.
It's actually kind of refreshing sometimes, that water.
It's very refreshing. Cool. Head back to you then. Oh, you got it on video at least.
You got it?
Nah. I'm good.
Can you put your right foot where your left foot is currently?
Where should I put my left foot in the meantime?
Oh, you see the wall to your left? You can use that to...
That's not gonna...
No, because between the wall and the mud, there's a crack you can stick your foot in. Only that.
Okay. Ow. Thank God for helmets. Wow.
I think graffiti reads graffiti. I feel like if no one signed the name here,
No one else would.
yeah, for sure. Probably means it does mean up. It does? It goes the way Elijah went.
Anything I can do, you can do, Wesley.
I can do anything better than you.
There we go. It's the slide. Whee! No. Oh, another mud climb. That's fine. He made it look pretty easy.
See over this? All of this?
It got colder at this water, I swear.
It's because you're slowing down.
I can...
It's the same. It's warmer actually.
I like the people who sit down here, you know? This full set of jumps.
Hey, you could survive that. Okay.
the bats.
Waking up. Let's get out of here. It's waterproof. I found that out today. I had to like reach for it in the water.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, no one died. Oh, it's so beautiful coming out. Oh my God.
There we go. I'll give you $10 for it.
$10.
Oh wow, that is an alternator.
Yeah.
I think Henry needs one of those.
Alright boys, fortunately we did not make it to the waterfall, but luckily